Hi, Dad.
Hello.
Looks like you got a project in mind.
I got a toy here.
This doesn't look like a very new toy, though.
It was given to me as a present. So we haven't fired up, and I thought, hey, let's give it a shot.
Today's as good a day as any.
Right?
This is Dad's new to him pressure washer. We've had it for a few months in the garage, but he hasn't actually cranked it up yet. So we're gonna check to see if it actually works today. What are you gonna pressure wash, Dad?
So we live in an area where it rains a lot, everything is wet, and the sun doesn't really come out that much. So we have some mold on the outside of the house. So we're gonna spread. We also have a deck that the paint is coming off, and we have to scrape that off. But before we do all that, we have to test to see if this toy even works, because it's old, it has some miles in it, and it was just given to me because they bought a new one. So
now we got to see if this old behemoth will even turn on.
Right, and I've never started it. I was told how to do it, so we'll see.
Let's give it a shot.
So hold on.
I see you've got your helper here.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, we got to put your gas in it.
Because in USA, use unleaded gasoline only.
What if you were in Canada? Would you use a different kind of gas?
I guess. So let's not put that much, because what if it doesn't work? It will be a waste of gas.
Yes. Well, it's leaking. Woohoo! So it gets the driveway wet. I don't know that that's very high pressure, but it's definitely getting things wet. Now you got your magic wand.
So, put it away. And I said, pump it a few times.
And then hold the cord.
Let me see. So this is what I'm talking about. It doesn't get that much sun. So after a while, it starts, all that mold starts developing.
It's molding, so we need to wash it off before it becomes a problem. And this deck needs this old paint kind of scraped off so we can put new paint on it. And that's where the pressure washer comes in.
Yeah.
So what you got there?
So I'm gonna apply this, I forget what this thing is called, clean or something like that. It's a diluted solution to, you put this on for a little bit, let it sit, and then wash it, and it should take it right off. We use this at work and it works really well.
You can see the mold fairly well when it's down low like this. We spray it with this stuff so that it'll kind of kill it. That way it doesn't just grow right back. And then we can scrape it off and then rinse it. So while Dad is scraping off the house, I'm going to start on the deck. Dad wants to take a turn playing. So
Hasta la vista, baby.
Daddy ran out of gas, but it looks much better after it's been washed. This side has not quite been finished yet, but look at the difference of that side and this side. It looks so much better. What a cool toy. And you can see over here where I was working on the deck, I got this part done and this part hasn't been done yet. You can tell such a difference in the wood too. I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like when it's all done. I can't wait to get this deck redone, get the back of the house redone. It's gonna look so good.
Right.
Mia.
What?
I ran out of gas. Guess I was done. But I think I got something on my face.
Yeah.
And my sweatshirt.
And on your back.
And you, because I was sitting with my hand on you. So, that's a messy job, Mia.
Yeah.
Did you get messy when you were helping?
No.
Did you? Man, it's all because of those dirty cracks. The deck is starting to look good though. I don't quite have half of it done, but it's starting to look good. I think it's gonna look awesome when it's finished. I'm excited. Dad's new toy, the pressure washer, got a good workout today. Did you guys see the house after Dad washed it? Looks so much better. You guys didn't pay any attention while you were outside?
No, I just looked at the deck, which I cleaned.
Thanks for your help, guys. We got the deck almost halfway done. That's a big job. There's a lot of washing to do on that porch, or on that deck. We're gonna have to do it again because obviously we didn't finish, but I thought it was a lot of fun, so I didn't even mind being out there. If I hadn't run out of gas, I would not have come inside. But it was dinner time and I ran out of gas, so oh well.
It made me feel like I could destroy anything.
Yeah?
It was just like, I grabbed it, and it held it super cool, so it looked like a flamethrower or something. And then you go up to the paint, and it whoosh,
Wow, it's gone.
and the gray spots. Whoosh.
What was your favorite part, Jax?
When I was holding it like this, like the same way Nina was doing, and I had to push it really hard, and then Dad's thing was in the way, his grill, and I went.
We sprayed his grill.
When I first turned it on, I almost fell over because
Had more power than you expected?
yeah.
I thought that was cool too.
It was like
Anyways, guys, thanks for your help. We got lots more work to do, so you guys can come out and help me again when we work on it. But for now, we better put our Smarty Pants to bed. So,
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Want to make this channel strong? Share it with your friends. And now, good night, YouTube. See you tomorrow. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now. Subscribe, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. Poof.